Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you're getting a second video this week. Who is she? I don't know, but it's another no makeup video. I am currently living my best life by coming home and immediately taking off my makeup and putting on my nighttime skincare and just living. Like, it's, what else can I say? But I did want to show you, this is the effects of me with the Dyson Airwrap. This is my hair the next day, and I just touched it up this morning. I did dampen my hair with some water and then just retouched a few areas, but this is what it looks like. It looks really good, I think, so I'm pretty pleased. Like I said, I really like it. But today it is not about that. Today is all about Boxycharm. I just got my Boxycharm for the month of October this month. Please excuse the no makeup. I'm not applying this. I just felt like filming my video, go ahead and getting it up, but I also didn't want to have my wacky tacky makeup from today. It's Spirit Week this week at school, so I went all out. But anyway, this month we got a little pamphlet. I don't know that there was a theme. I think it's After Dark is what the theme is this month. But this was the little pamphlet that came inside, and I guess I'll just go ahead and tell you what I got. First thing, the big thing this month was a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette that some people got. I got the Marvelous Mauves eyeshadow palette, and I actually have it. I've purchased it. So this is the one that I have. It's dusty because I use it at weddings all the time. This is a very popular makeup look right now, the mauve tones, and this palette is perfect for that. It's great. These shadows are incredible. They blend easily, and the brush that comes in it is actually a really decent brush. It's got like a mini MAC 217 on one side and then a very precise pencil brush on the other. So this will possibly be in a future giveaway, because I've had this one for a while now and haven't even hit pan, and I use it literally all the time at weddings. But again, awesome, love it. It's a good product, and this retails for $32. And like I said, I got Marvelous Mauves. Okay. The next thing that I got was this Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and this is like a moisturizer, I think. Let me read. Ultra Rich Hydrating Primer Skin Balm. Oh, so it's like a primer but a moisturizer at the same time. Melts into your skin, giving you ultimate glow. Okay, I thought it was totally a moisturizer. I was going to put it in with my skincare, but I think it is a priming moisturizer balm. So I'll put it in with my primers instead. I'm interested in this. It looks amazing in the pictures that I've seen or the videos of people using it on the Boxycharm Instagram and stuff. It does look like it gives you a very nice hydrated glassy skin balm. I think this would be great under a matte foundation to kind of help balance your skin. Like mine right now feels really dry, so this would be awesome under my favorite matte foundations to kind of balance with my skin right now. And that retails for $32. Okay. And then the next thing I got, this is the Tartelette Pro Glow. This is a liquid highlighter. I actually got one of these a while ago in Boxycharm, but it's not the same shade. I've already looked. This is in the shade Stunner. This is something that I don't use the one that I have, so, and I think it was in like Glitz or Glimmer or Glitter or something like that. But I will definitely put this in a giveaway because I know myself, I don't use liquid highlighters, but this would be great to mix in with foundation. Again, if you want something more glowy and dewy. For me personally, I already have a ton, so I don't need another one. And that retails for $29. Okay. And then the next thing I got, this is the Iconic London Plumping Lip Gloss, and it is in the shade Love Struck. It's a nice peachy pink nude shade. It's definitely a lip gloss that you just throw in your purse and you can put on. So I'm excited about this because I will do that. Put it in my purse, throw it on. And if it's a plumping gloss, I'm sure it kind of has like a mentholy, minty tingle to it, which I also like. And this retails for $26. That's an expensive gloss. Maybe because I only buy drugstore glosses. That seems like really expensive. Okay, and then the last thing I got this month is a Luna by Luna. Original name. This is $16, and this is an eyeliner pencil, and I got mine in the shade Pegasus. And it looks kind of like a blue, gray, midnighty, sultry color, but it's also black at the end, so it could totally be black. I'm not sure. I don't want to open it up because I will probably end up putting this in a giveaway. But I might look up some swatches and insert and see what shade this actually is. I don't have my phone on me, or I would do that right now. But this was the last thing I got. So let me add up the value of this box. The value of this month's box was $135. If that is incorrect, I will correct myself down here. And that will be very embarrassing since I teach math. But I also teach math to second graders. So we don't do much more than second graders. Anyway, this month was overall an okay box for me. It wasn't amazing, but it also wasn't horrible. But yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see next down in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Oh wait, before I leave, I do want to give you an update. Boxycharm is changing. So it has always been $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, beauty, skin, hair, anything beauty related. It is going up to $25 a month, and they are going to have a up tier to it, and you can do it. It's $35 a month. With the $25 a month, you're guaranteed 5 full-size products. With the $35, you get 6 or 7, and the value also increases to like almost $200. And then you can still do Boxy Luxe with either. So I think I'm going to upgrade to the $35 a month box. Why not get an extra product or two? Let me know if y'all want me to upgrade or keep this one. Totally will help me decide what I should do. Anyway, thank you again so much for being here. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.